Hello, in this video, I am going to install Xcode of version 14.1 and show you all possible issues as well. If you check the latest version of Xcode in the Apple Store, you won't get there. Just open the browser and open the developer site. The website link is given in the description of the video. Just download it. Double tap on the downloaded file. If it is installing, then you are lucky. But usually you get insufficient storage issue. To solve this issue, delete derived data and iOS device logs. Then create a folder and open terminal at folder. Run the command. Command is given in the description of the video. After 30 seconds, cancel the command run and delete the folder. Now restart the system and try. Now, you can see the Xcode is installing. Here my Mac version is less than 12.6. That's why it is giving error. In your case you may not get this error. If you Xcode version less as mine, just upgrade to greater than version 12.6 and try.
To update Mac OS, just click on Software Update and then click on More Info. Select version you want to download and press on Install Now button. After installation, just restart the system and then you can use Xcode. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.